Meet the Cliensy. Bike into the future with our new aluminum electric bike. Industry-leading technology and green production methods combine to provide you a fresh riding experience. The Cliensy is a thrill to ride, and it fits all your needs, whether you're commuting, cruising for speed, mounting hills, or pushing your fitness goals. Not sure about buying? You will be surprised by the price of this mountain e-bike. Our team puts great effort into improving our bicycle manufacturing process to maintain a great quality and affordable price for customers. Ready to shift the way you travel and protect our planet at the same time? The Cliensy fits your busy life with effortless assembly that helps go where and when you desire. The Cliensy Mountain e-bike offers a 36-volt, 350-watt brushless motor, taking you even further to where you need to go. Simple keyless start system and easy meter operation means you get up and go right away. Ride farther on 30 miles of endurance in assisted mode on a single charge of just 4 to 5 hours. Hit up to 20 miles per hour depending on the mode you select. Gone are the days where you only got as far as your legs and lungs would take you, and those embarrassing sweat stains when biking to work in hot summers. With 3 cycling modes, you can choose e-bike mode for long rides or opt for bicycle mode to push your workout. You choose how you want to get there, and it can be easily operated on the intelligent liquid crystal screen. Ready for longer, faster rides and harsher terrain? We powered the Cliensy with a stronger battery and powerful electric system. The Shimano 21-speed gear component that increases hill climbing power provides you further range variation and affords greater terrain adaptability. Arrive safely with dual mechanical disc brakes that provide reliable all-weather stopping power, and a LED bright headlamp so you can ride and be seen. Cliensy is perfect for city use and fits wherever you need it. We have another folding model. Just quickly fold it up when you need extra room or bring it to your workplace. You can easily disassemble this e-bike and take it to your destination. You'll ride smoothly with an extra soft, comfortable cushion saddle and performance tires that easily handle complex off-road rides. Get down to basics and remove the battery for a pure cycling experience. Travel into the future of biking with unbeatable value, durability, lightweight portability, and performance. We are proud of our products, so we want you to get it as soon as possible. If you have any concerns, our friendly customer service is here to answer. We've designed the Cliensy to be the future of sustainable transportation. Ride how you want to ride. Be free. Be safe. Be adventurous. With unbeatable value and prime performance, we're going to bring you along for the ride into tomorrow. The Cliensy.